My name is Luke Simmons. I work for Beam Construction as their superintendent. And today we're out at York Technical College building their new learning commons. Completed the construction management program, took all their carpentry, all their electrical, and most of their plumbing programs as well, got certificates in all those. They kind of introduce you to a little bit of everything from estimating, scheduling, electrical, carpentry, familiarizing people, getting people to know what this is called, and I know how this is put together. Now when you get into the field, it's less of a surprise, and it's like, yeah, I've seen this before. But we got the parking lot over here. We've milled all the asphalt off of it to put a new surface down on it, and these spots where all the machines are moving right now, it's some areas of bad dirt that we've had to cut down 2 foot and put stone back in to give a good firm base. And once they get this stone back in, graded out, we'll put new asphalt back over this whole lot right here. And then we got most all the sidewalks done around the building now. What we're lacking is where you see this gravel right here, and this is gonna be the new pedestrian corridor for the school. This plastic mesh is called a geogrid. And lay that down, we cut down to what the engineer tells us to cut to. We lay this geogrid down, it kind of firms up the base and holds everything together when we start going on top of it. And then we take what this guy's doing here, putting stone back in, going at about 8 to 10 inch lifts and compacting it. We get up to where the bottom edge of the asphalt is, and then we'll pave back over this, put a new surface here. This wall here is what is considered insulated metal panels. It's a 2-inch thick panel. It locks together with tongue and groove and seals itself to where that is the actual, if you took those panels down, it's just raw stud framing into the inside of the building. This was all existing structure that we completely gutted. It was just a steel frame that was left and started back over. You always have expansion joints to allow the building to move with different wind loads or anything seismic, anything of that nature. Half of the exterior walls of the new side of this building are all glass. So you really lose a lot of your structure there as far as it not being as rigid if it was solid walls. When superintendent, you have a part in everything. You know about everything that's going on for the most part. Running the job site, make sure everybody's safe, and run my own crews, run sub crews, schedule work. Necessary things go through to make sure these things get done. I always wanted to become a superintendent. Didn't think it was happening as fast as it did, but people took knowledge of me and saw that I was good at what I was doing, and I worked up to there, and I've enjoyed it. It's been great, and still learning a lot. You always learn something new out here.